ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 6th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಲಿಲಿಯೋ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ. ಎ. ನೇಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಹೆವನ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡೀಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್: ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್, meteors, asteroids. These are the heavenly bodies. What is astronomy? Answer: astronomy is the science of stars, planets and the universe. C. Name the Indian astronomer. Answer: Indian astronomer is Aryabhata. Next, D. What is a planetarium? There is one in Karnataka. Where is it? Answer: a planetarium is a building in which images of stars, planets and constellations are projected on two domed ceiling. Yes, there is a planetarium in Bangalore, the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Next, E. What instrument do astronomers use? Answer: astronomers use telescope. Next, first one. Some sentences given below are not true. Correct them and write them down. Learned men have always believed that the earth moved around the sun. Answer is not true. Correct answer is: learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went around it. Next one. The first ever maid was invented by Lippershey. Answer is true. Next one. Galileo thought a telescope would help him in his studies. Answer is true. Galileo watched the heavenly bodies in the clear night sky. Answer is true. Next, the people of Venice also turned the looking tube towards the night sky. Answer is not true. Next, Galileo went on improving his telescopes. Answer is true. Next one. Copernicus had already said what kill your was saying. Answer is true. The church set Galileo free because it finally agreed with his ideas. Answer is not true. The second one is: talk to your partner about the points raised in these questions and then write down what you said. A. How is your knowledge about the earth different from the knowledge of people, even learned men, some 400 years ago? Answer is: it is common knowledge today that the earth is a planet revolving round the sun. But there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun, all other heavenly bodies went around it. B. Who corrected people's thinking about our earth in the 17th century? Answer: Galileo corrected people's thinking about our earth in the 17th century. C. What is Lippershey's contribution to astronomy? Answer is: Lippershey invented the telescope, the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. Next, D. What is the Milky Way? Answer: The Milky Way is the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night and contains millions and millions of faint stars. Next, E. In what ways is the moon similar to the earth? Answer: On the moon's surface, which seems so smooth, has high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. Next, F. Why was Galileo appointed professor at the University of Padua? Answer: The people of Venice saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles off. When the telescope was shown to the ruler of Venice, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo as a professor for life at the University of Padua. Next, G. What were the two important discoveries Galileo made with his much improved telescope? Answer: With his much improved telescope, Galileo found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved round it, and found that the sun had spots upon it, and that the spots slowly moved across its face. He found from this that the sun, like the earth, spins around itself. Next, H. Who had made discoveries similar to Galileo's in the 16th century? Answer: Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, had made discoveries similar to Galileo in the 16th century. Next is I. What trouble did Galileo bring upon himself by telling truths about the heavenly bodies? Answer is: Galileo's new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men, because it meant that all their own teaching was completely wrong. They began to oppose him, and many of them became his enemies. Then he got into trouble with the church. Next is J. What is the humorous story about Galileo facing the Inquisition? Answer: Galileo knelt, declared that he no longer believed that the earth moved round the sun. As he rose from his knees, he whispered to himself, but still does move. Next, fourth one. Reorder the jumbled words to make a sentence. Direct answers I have written. A. Living on earth is expensive, but it does include a free trip along the sun every year. Next answer is B. Read your sentence to your partner. C. What does the word it refer to? Answer. It refers to living on the earth. Next is D. Which word in your sentence should you emphasize? Read the sentence again, stressing this word. Again, stressing this word. Answer is free trips every year around the sun. Next is E. Did you get the joke? How many free trips have you made so far? Answer is as many trips as my age. Word formation with suffixes er and ist. First one is democracy, democratist. Sociology, sociologist. Meteorology, meteorologist. Psychology, psychologist. Now it is writing part. Write a paragraph on the telescope using the ideas in the text. A telescope is an invaluable instrument that has revolutionized our understanding of the universe, allowing us to observe distant objects with unprecedented clarity. The invention of the telescope in the early 17th century, preliminarily in the Netherlands. The pivotal role of Galilei in using the telescope for astronomical observations. Next is fill in the blanks. Think of the names of some dash. Answer is scientists. Some scientists and their inventions. We praise and honor scientists because their dash are dash to us, because their inventions are useful to us. But sometimes a scientist about nature that not be liked by some people. This is dash of our. This is because of our ignorance dash prejudice. Ignorance and prejudice. In olden days, scientists you and got dash trouble. Got into trouble for finding dash truths. Finding out truths. Galileo was an Italian astronomer. He got into trouble for telling some dash. Answer is telling some truths about the heavenly bodies. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೆಲಿಲಿಯೋ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.